Hi everyone, I want to welcome you all especially to today's live trading session. But before I proceed, I'd like to confirm the audio. Let me be sure that I have audio. Before I proceed, I'd like to confirm the audio. Okay, so I have audio. Let me be sure that I have audio. Alright, good. I'm not using a microphone today. I don't know what's going on with my audios these days. I broke my microphone. It was yesterday, no, day before yesterday. Was rolling content and somehow I broke my microphone. So I'll have to buy a new microphone. So right now I'm using a Bluetooth earpiece. And I think it's giving me a good audio. So quickly I'm going to share my screen with you. And so you can be able to see me live. And I'm going to take you through the charts, show you my directional bias. So in that case, I'd like you to share the link, okay? Share the links to your friend, pro traders, new traders. Let them know that we're live. Connect, okay? All right, so quickly, I'm sharing my screen with you. Excuse me. So here is GU. I posted this entry for GU. I told us to sell around here, and it failed, right? I think it was just an entry GU. Yeah, it was just an entry. So this was not the entry case. This was the entry. My Bluetooth just went off. I don't know why. Let me confirm. Okay, are you still on? Are you still on? All right, so the audio is still on. Pardon me, please, if I'm not very loud. I'm not using a microphone. So now, the entry for GU, this was it, and like I told you, this is the December period. So entries can be very tricky. So you must be very careful as you're taking entries this month. Don't blow the account. Don't lose your funds. Okay, December will soon be over, and we'll be back into January, where the market will give us more opportunities and moves where we can make money in 2026. Until then, be careful how you're taking entries. So this is it. If you look closely, you see that GU gave a massive buy. Okay, which it broke structure here. Now this buy left us behind. We didn't take it because we're waiting for a retracement. For those of you that were with me, you were agreeing with them waiting for a retracement to go in. So it went straight to TP and went massively bullish. So we kept waiting for the bearish move, of which it gave a signal, and I posted this entry. Okay, so here is it. It took out this. It didn't take it out fully, which is why that failed. But the dollar index was giving us a clear sign that we could sell. Okay, but it then got tricky and manipulated. This was the dollar index gave us a shift already, so I thought it was a good time to sell, and that's where the manipulation came from. Because there's a lot of imbalance that the dollar index needs to fill. This is one imbalance. This one has been filled. This one has been filled. There's another one higher. This one has been filled. You see it more. Yeah, this is it. So there are two imbalances that the dollar index needs to fill. So when I saw that shift in structure, I felt it is going to fill itself. That's the reason why I told you to sell G. So we went in too early. That means if we had gone in from here, we could have by now have achieved let's say 40 pips, good pips for a decent. What were we risking? We're risking just let's say. So you can see that's more than 2 RR. Now, what we're going to do now is simply we're going to
this outline now. That's why the moment we are done with it, yeah, it's there. That's why the moment we are done.
So what we're going to do now is let's look at the complete market overview for the new week. So here is the dollar index. I see the dollar index. I see the dollar index giving us a buy to fill up this imbalance. Okay, and I think that buy has been confirmed. Okay, I see it's been confirmed. It might just get to this POI before it's continue pushing upwards. So what I'm going to be waiting for is once I see that confirmation, I'm going to be waiting for full confirmation to go bearish on GU. Okay, and I'd love to go bearish on GU even more further from here, at least to this point. Okay, so since we've been taking out, let's just leave that where it was before. Since we've been taking out, we can just let's use the 1 hour time frame. We can just catch an entry from here, put our stop loss around here 20. So let's say we're risking 20 pips. So let's say we're risking 20 pips. We just go here, at least to this point. So this is my entry site on GU. So when am I going to enter this trade? I'm going to really enter this trade when I find a shift in market structure in a 5 minutes time frame. So I love that GU shifts this structure. Once it shifts this structure, and I'll go in. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on GU for Japanese baskets. Let's see. Okay, still going bearish. Japanese basket is still going bearish. So we'll be looking for buys on GG. Wow. This is massive. How did we miss this? So let's just wait for possible retracement. Excuse me. Let's see where it's going to. So it's buy on GJ, but I'm still active on group. I'll give you updates. It's already a massive buy. We should wait for possible retracement before going in again. For gold, gold has not been moving. It's been sitting here. I would like to see a breakout out of this range if I know what to do with gold. So this is all I can take for today. Bitcoin too has not been moving. This is all we can take for today. Okay, so stay active on the group so I can give you updates on what to expect in the course of the week.